Okay, if you're someone who's got little kids, you're gonna wanna look into this. So my kids love balloons, they love the game Keepy Uppy, whatever it might be, but this is a great like balloon animal type set that you can use if you're like getting ready to throw a party, or if you are someone who does balloon animals in general. These are really great. So these are latex balloons. They've got different designs on them, which is really cool. And then it does come with your inflator here, which is just like that standard like handheld pump, which is easy to use and operate, as you can see here. So the balloons in here, this is great. This is a ton of balloons that come in this pack too, which is awesome. And they do say that they're just the top quality type latex balloons. Let me pull one out so you can see. Oh, let's do hot pink because why not, right? So they're the long, skinny balloons that look like this, and they have the tie at the end. So, I mean, this is even fun for summer. Like, whoops. My kids are off school in the summer and they are home. So we're always looking for ways to, you know, have some rainy day type activities. So that's gonna slide on like this. And then you are gonna wanna hold this while you pump. Look at that, I could be a balloon artist. Cool, so fun. Looks kind of funny and inappropriate all at the same time, so you're welcome. And then you're just gonna wanna go ahead and tie off your side, which is great. So the balloons are really soft in texture too. And then whatever designs you're making, again, I am not a professional, but I could be. Watch, I'll do another review by the end of the summer. I don't know what I'm making here, but again, this looks like it could totally be the start of something. Oh, I know. Oh, I'm making a crown. I don't know what I'm making. I'm making hot dogs. There you go. But again, just a really great and easy tool. I think what I love most about this is all the colors you can see in here. But just really great, really easy. Something for parties, something for home, something for the balloon animal enthusiast.